With AI becoming essential in every role, measuring AI fluency is no longer optional. At WeCP, we help you assess how well candidates can build AI and build with AI. Let's see how. Here's a real-world task given to candidates. They're asked to build a command line tool that generates ad copy using OpenAI's GPT-3 API, based on user input like product name, audience, and tone. This challenge evaluates API integration with OpenAI, prompting GPT-3 effectively, building a working CLI tool with Python, and applying AI in a real use case. Candidates are given partial code and must complete the logic. They'll add their own API key, write the script, and test it, just like they would in a real dev environment. They test their solution right inside WeCP. Once complete, they submit the code and see real-time feedback on the results. With WeCP, assessing AI fluency isn't theoretical. It's hands-on, practical, and built for the real world. Hire AI fluent talent with confidence. Try WeCP projects.